बालाजी मतलब हनुमान, बाढ़ हनुमान। हनुमान ने वानर सेना बनाई, मैंने इंसान की सेना बनाई। तो मेरे साथ इतने लोग, करोड़ों लोग जुड़े हुए हैं, इसकी वजह से आज मेरे को अवार्ड मिला। थैंक यू हुरर इंडिया।
Tonight we come together to celebrate a land that has always stood for enterprise, excellence, and extraordinary ambition.
Hurun's primary sort of focus is on four arts. Now, we really want to speak about Indians who are building some of the most amazing enterprise in the country.
You celebrate entrepreneurship, you celebrate achievements, and you celebrate long-term value creation. I can very proudly say that that's something that we have been doing very quietly since 3 decades in Ahmedabad.
It's amazing how you both support each other and work towards lifting each other up. When I see somebody doing really well, I'm happy for them, and I'm like, take everybody along. That attitude should be there. Gujarat, at least I realized that you have to build those systems yourself, right? You had to create those opportunities. You had to create something which probably somewhere in the future somebody else will be able to plug into.
स्टे एडेप्टेबल, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड इतनी फास्ट से चेंज हो रहा है। आज आईफोन 16 है, कल 17 आ ही जाता है हमारे हाथ। सो वी नो कि हमको भी इसी तरह से आगे बढ़ते रहना पड़ेगा, एडप्ट करो।
If I have to ask each one of you to describe the size of your business, like a one-line thing about this is what we are, what would that be?
Growth has been primarily driven in terms of how we can expand our global footprint and grow there.
Strong technology-driven expansion, I would say.
You know how you integrate AI in your business. Keep hold of onto the right talent, because I don't think AI will ever replace what humans can do. Any specific element there which you think will definitely help you scale from whatever 85 to 1000, whatever you mentioned, to the same proportion?
Our values are faith. So it starts with F, faith, aptitude, innovation, togetherness. Especially the H was put up for hard work.
Of course, there is a lot of things, but scalability is what brings core to any Gujarati family.
Happy birthday to Mr. Bridget. Happy birthday to you.
How do you see, yourself trying to carry that legacy forward? It's a tall ask, I'm sure. But what are the things that play on your mind?
Resources हैं कि नहीं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. If you have sort of धंधे की थोड़ी सी धगस और स्किल सेट है ना, तो anything can be done.
I hope more people are going to innovate in territories which Gujaratis are not symbolic.